Welcome to this DelftStack tutorial video. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to link Google Forms with Calendar using a booking calendar add-on. Whether you're managing appointments, scheduling meetings, or collecting event registrations, this simple step-by-step guide will walk you through everything you need to know so you can automate your scheduling without stress. First, open your Google Drive, which is the main hub for accessing all Google apps. Once you're there, click the New button in the top left corner and select Google Forms. You can start with a blank form or choose a template, depending on your needs. Templates are great if you want a faster setup, so feel free to pick one and customize it. Next, complete your form setup by adding questions, selecting question types, and adjusting basic settings. Once your form is ready, look at the top right corner and click the three-dot More menu. From here, select Get Add-ons. This opens the add-ons marketplace where you can extend the power of Google Forms easily. In the search bar, type Booking Calendar and click on it when it appears. Go ahead and click Install, then follow the on-screen prompts to finish the installation. Don't worry, the process is quick and very user-friendly. Once installed, return to your form, click the add-ons icon, and select Booking Calendar. Then choose Configure to begin linking it with your form. To make the process smoother, here are a few quick tips. Make sure you're signed into the correct Google account, ensure Google Calendar access is enabled, and double-check that your form questions are finalized. Doing this beforehand can save you time and prevent syncing issues later. Once you complete the setup, you'll be prompted to open Google Calendar. This step allows bookings made through your form to sync automatically with your calendar. If needed, you can create or edit events directly in Google Calendar during this step. After configuration, the booking calendar will be added to your form automatically. And that's all there is to it. By following these simple steps, you'll be able to link Google Forms with Google Calendar and manage bookings effortlessly. Thanks for watching this DelftStack tutorial video, and I hope you found it helpful. If this helped you out, feel free to share it with others who might be facing the same issue. Why not make someone's day easier?